Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have so much while others have so little? Why some have access to the best of everything while others barely manage to scrape by? This disparity, my friends, is what we call inequality. Inequality, in its most basic form, is the uneven distribution of resources, opportunities, and privileges among individuals or groups. Imagine a pie, rich and full of delicious fillings. Now, there's a group of people who need to share this pie. Inequality is when one person gets a huge chunk of the pie, leaving just crumbs for the rest. The pie here represents resources, wealth, education, healthcare, or even opportunities. Now let's dive deeper into this concept. Inequality is not just about money or wealth. It extends to social aspects as well. For instance, discrimination based on race, gender, or social status is a form of social inequality. These discriminations can limit opportunities for certain groups, creating a cycle that's tough to break. Inequality also exists in our education systems. Quality education often comes with a hefty price tag, making it inaccessible for lower-income families. This educational inequality results in limited opportunities, perpetuating a cycle of poverty. Healthcare is another area where inequality is glaringly evident. Access to quality healthcare often depends on one's financial status. Those with less money might not be able to afford the best treatment, leading to poorer health outcomes. Inequality does not just affect individuals, but also societies and nations as a whole. It can lead to social unrest, economic instability, and hinder a country's overall development. But here's the thing. Inequality is not an inevitable part of life. It's a product of policies, practices, and systems that can and should be changed. Many countries and organizations are working tirelessly to address inequality through policies aiming at wealth redistribution, affirmative action, and equal opportunity provisions. Inequality is a complex issue that requires collective effort to resolve. It's not about taking from the rich and giving to the poor, but about ensuring everyone has a fair shot at a good life. It's about making sure the pie is divided in a way that everyone gets a decent slice. So, to recap, inequality is the uneven distribution of resources and opportunities. It exists in various forms, from wealth and education to healthcare. It's a pervasive issue that affects individuals and societies alike, but it's not an unchangeable fact of life. With the right policies and collective effort, we can work towards a world where everyone gets a fair share of the pie. Remember, every step towards reducing inequality is a step towards a more just and equitable world. So the next time you see a pie, think about how it's divided, and let that be a reminder of the part you can play in creating a more equal world.